If you're looking for a legitimate side hustle app that's actually going to help you increase your income, stay tuned because in today's video, I'm going to do my in-depth review on the Steady app. So if you're excited to learn how to increase your income with the Steady app, please smash the like button and let's get into it. Steady app is an app that lets you build your income and build your life. They help you earn extra money on your own terms when you need it most. And believe it or not, there's already over 4 million people that have downloaded it and started using it to increase their income. Steady app has been downloaded millions of times and has over 4 million strong members sharing their stories and working together to improve the way they earn. Steady members earn over $5,500 more per year on average. They've also paid out over $2.6 million in income boosters this year alone. So what is the Steady app? Steady app is basically a Craigslist or a Facebook marketplace for online gigs, work from home jobs, and just ways to increase your income. It's really an awesome marketplace that filters all these opportunities down so that they fit you the best, that you can actually take action and increase your income through either an online side hustle, a gig economy job, or an actual work from home full-time job. So how much can you actually make from Steady? They actually claim that the average person, the average user that downloads the app, links their bank account, earns an average of $5,500 more per year. That's by selecting gig economy jobs that work best for them, getting the income boosters, and also the grants that help them increase their income. When I was using the app and searching through all the jobs and opportunities, I found that a lot of them were in that $10 to $25 range per hour, and there were plenty that were up over that $25 per hour, which is really, really cool, especially because a lot of them are work from home jobs. So who's gonna benefit the most from Steady app? It's gonna be those freelancers, those people that are looking to pick up side gigs, people that have extra flexibility in their schedule, are really looking to increase their income to either pay off debt, save for a fun vacation, or just save for retirement and invest their money. So let's go over the Steady app's pros and cons. Number one, it's super easy to set up and download. There'll be a link in the description. You can click that, download the app, and get started today. Once you link your bank account, that's when you can start to find those income boosters to automatically start finding ways to make money. There's a really plethora of different types of flexible gig economy jobs, online work from home jobs, side hustles. So there's a lot of things that you can choose from, and they do pay good. They pay anywhere from $10 to $25 range like I was talking about, so that's another big pro that Steady has. I think the biggest benefit that Steady app has after you download it and set up your account is that it's going to filter down all these opportunities so that you can find ones that you want to do to increase your income. And like I said before, they claim that the average person makes an additional $5,500 per year by downloading the Steady app, linking the bank account, and taking advantage of all the opportunities and income grants and boosters and all that type of stuff. Some of the cons of the Steady app is there are very little traditional jobs, so you're not going to find your normal work from home job that's paying $55,000 per year. These are definitely more of those side hustle, gig economy jobs, but that doesn't say that you can't make that type of money by doing these things. I did find that the pay for each job is not specifically listed for each job, so sometimes you will have to find the job, do some research on your own to see what the type of pay is. I also found that when you are using the app and you find a job that you do like, and you click on it, you cannot apply right in the Steady app. Like I said, they're just a marketplace to kind of filter down all these opportunities. You're going to still have to go to that website or to that company to apply for that job. So when you do click the link in the description, you are going to be brought to your app store, whether you're on Android or Apple, and you're going to simply download the app. Once you have it downloaded, it's going to bring up this screen and kind of give you an overview of what the Steady app is all about. So you can browse jobs near you, view employer paychecks, earn extra cash, and link to your income to track it. So it's also kind of like a mint.com where it's going to actually help you track your income or personal capital. All right, so let's go ahead and create an account. So on the Steady app, again, there's been over 4 million members that have already created an account, and you're simply going to put in your first name, your last, and your email address. Then you're gonna put in your zip code and create your password. And then you hit continue. It might take a minute or two after you hit continue, but then you can go ahead and enter your phone number. And you're gonna get a verification code, so you can go ahead and copy that in, hit verify, and now our account is verified. So you're gonna ask how you heard about us. You can either skip that or select the one that you want, and then you're going to link your account. So by linking your account, it's super important because that's how you can get these cash bonuses. You can kind of look at an overview of what your overall income health is and kind of keep track of your income. You can skip this. I highly recommend you continue and you do link your bank account. Like I said, that's gonna make sure that you open up the app to all the opportunities possible to make more income with. And it is kind of linked through the Plaid connection. So Plaid is a company that kind of links bank accounts to platforms. So it's super safe, super easy and effortless to set up. And you basically just come into here, select which bank account you have, and then link your bank account. So now we are on the app. This is kind of the homepage, and these are where the income boosters are. So obviously they're going to have partners that you can sign up with that are specifically for you and your account. So Acorns is a good investing platform. Albert is a bank company that you can use. Chime is also a bank. So it's giving you these offers that you can look for and look into. Obviously, my personal point of view is only sign up for the ones that you're actually going to use and actually make sense. But then you can kind of come into here and go into find work. So let's go look at work from home jobs and find the right job faster. You can kind of filter down, and they're going to ask you a quiz at the beginning here. We're going to say we're looking for part-time work and from home. And what do I use for transportation? I'm going to say I walk. I have a bachelor's degree. And you're going to fill this out real quick. Next, I'm not currently employed. Don't have any. So this is kind of filling out your background, which you're going to want to do. Obviously, it's going to give you the most specific jobs and filter down the ones that are perfect for you and the highest paying. So the more information you give them, the more information they're going to have to link the correct gigs, the correct work from home jobs for you specifically. I'm seeing a bunch of stuff here recently added near us. So we have some hairstylist. These are kind of your more normal 9-to-5 jobs. And then we have ways to work from home. So we have Rover, we have Opinion Champ, so kind of some surveys, some seasonal stuff here, Enterprise Rent-A-Car, a bunch of different jobs and gig economy stuff. And then you can kind of look at your top jobs. So you can browse and filter down all of these jobs and really pick the ones that are going to work the best for you. So let's go back here, and we can also go look at some gig economy jobs. And again, you definitely want to fill out your profile as best as possible so that you are getting the most specific gigs and highest paying jobs that you can find. So we have Rev. So this is kind of doing translation. It's a really good side hustle. I've heard a lot of people do really good with that. If you're fast at typing and listening, transcriptionist, I think that's what it's called. That's a really good side hustle you can do. Some more online surveys, freelance jobs, some virtual transcription, some video surveys, freelance projects. So there is just a ton of different opportunities. And now I'm going to actually go into income boosters. So what is an income booster? Through your income booster program, our partners offer a variety of tools that boost your income and financial security over time. The program also includes a $300 cash back available. Very cool. Over 13 million cash rewards to date, automatic payments, ditch the bank fees, all this stuff. So signing up for these banks, so if you need a better bank that's not charging you crazy fees, that has a better online platform, these are all banks that you can sign up for. Albert's showing a $75 bonus, Chime is $50. Savings accounts, they have Acorns, Stash, Yoda. All of these bank accounts and savings accounts, investing accounts are ones that we have on our site, on our YouTube channel that we do review. So if you are looking for more information on these guys before you sign up, go ahead and check both our YouTube channel out and our site, thesavvycouple.com. Building credit. So lots of income booster opportunities here that are going to help you kind of get your finances in order and also, get you set up on the right platforms. And then on the income tab is kind of sharing your profile, sharing what gains you've had. So sharing the grants, sharing your income tracker. And again, you really want to sign up and link your bank account so that you can do that. I didn't do that today to save some time, but this is basically the Steady app. It's full of different opportunities, full of different work from home, part-time, gig economy jobs, and different ways to make money through income boosters. So if you go into jobs, you can definitely go into filters and just really filter down what you would like to see. So you can kind of pick and choose what type of stuff you are into, definitely some freelance work, and go ahead and apply the filters. That's going to make it super easy to find more positions, more gig economy jobs, more side hustles that are going to help you make your income increase. So we have a remote client care specialist, remote inside sales representative, lots of different opportunities, and these look like more full-time jobs, so very cool. So again, to start making money with Steady app, go ahead and click the link in the description, download the app, link your bank account, start searching for those online jobs, online side hustles, and you can start getting those income boosters and grants right to your phone, right to your bank account. If you're looking for more side hustle ideas to increase your income, I will see you in my next video where I share my favorite 7 side hustles that helped us earn over $40,000 within 1 month. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in the video, go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe so you never miss another side hustle video that's going to help you increase your income and reach financial freedom. Peace out.